Welcome to Gemara Academy. In this class we will learn Tosfos Dibra Maschal Rishuyos Katani. Let's begin by looking at the flowchart of the Gemara so we can see what part of the Gemara Tosfos explains. So this is the answer of Rava. The Gemara asked, how can we say that the Mishnah in Shavuos is counting two cases of Eitzah and two cases of Achnasa if the Mishnah starts off by saying Yetzias HaShabbos, it's only counting Eitzahs, not Achnasas? Rava answered that in this instance, the word Yetzias doesn't mean Heitzah, but rather it means Rishuyos. This is the part of the Gemara that Tosfos will be explaining. Let's begin with the general outline. Rava explained that Yetzias means Rishuyos, which is the domains of Shabbos, Rishus HaYachid and Rishus HaRabim, and therefore can include Achnasa. So Tosfos will address two things. Number one, Tosfos will present how Rashi explains the word Shtayim, Shein Arba B'fnim Ushtayim Shein Arba B'chutz, according to this answer. How does Rashi explain the word Shtayim? And Tosfos will argue with Rashi. Tosfos will also explain how Yetzias can mean Rishuyos. Let's look at the flowchart. When the Mishnah says Yetzias, it means Rishuyos. This is the answer that Rava gave. So Tosfos says that Rashi explains Shtayim refers to the two Rishuyos, Rishus HaYachid and Rishus HaRabim. And the way we read the Mishnah is Yetzias HaShabbos. The Yetzias, the Rishuyos of Shabbos, are Shtayim, two, Rishus HaYachid, Rishus HaRabim, Shein Arba, that they create four cases b'fnim for the person on the inside. Ushtayim, and there are two Rishuyos of Shabbos, Shein Arba, that they create four cases b'chutz for the person on the outside. And Tosfos asks on this explanation of Rashi that according to this, it shouldn't have said two twice. It shouldn't say Shtayim Shein Arba b'fnim, Ushtayim Shein Arba b'chutz. Rather, it should have said Yetzias HaShabbos Shtayim. The Rishuyos of Shabbos are two, Rishus HaYachid and Rishus HaRabim, and as a result, Shein Arba b'fnim, v'Arba b'chutz. Therefore, there are four cases of carrying for the person on the inside, and four cases of the person on the outside. In the words of Tosfos, Shtayim Shtayim Lomali, saying Shtayim two times. What do we need that for? Just write it once. Therefore, Tosfos presents a different understanding of the word Shtayim according to Riva. The way we read the Mishnah is Yetzias HaShabbos. There are Rishuyos on Shabbos, referring to Rishus HaYachid and Rishus HaRabim. And as a result, Shtayim Shein Arba b'fnim, there are two cases that are four for the person on the inside, Ushtayim Shein Arba b'chutz, and two cases that are four for the person on the outside. The two is referring to the cases, and the cases of the person on the inside are different than the cases of the person on the outside, and therefore the word Shtayim is written twice. So there Tosfos presented Rashi's explanation of the word Shtayim, and then his own, the explanation of the Riva. Now Tosfos points out another thing. That Riva explains that it seems that Yetzias is the equivalent of Teitzais, and we find that the translation of Teitzais in the pasuk is Rashvase, which is the same as Rishuyos. So since Yetzias is like Teitzais, and Teitzais is related to Rishuyos, so we see that Yetzias is also related to Rishuyos. To summarize, Tosfos presented the explanation of Rashi on the word Shtayim. And Rashi says it refers to the Rishuyos, and he argued with him. And Tosfos also explained how we can say that Yetzias means Rishuyos.